A brilliant inventor's drone company became the nation's pride. These amazing drones delivered food, monitored farms, and even helped in hospitals. They were everywhere. But one night, the inventor revealed his dark secret. In his lab, he had other plans. He then tampered with the drones. He typed, "Activate Project Alpha." Instantly, all the drones' lights turned red. They began to merge, transforming into menacing robots. They had gone rogue. The country went dark. Phones, computers, and cars all stopped working. The world was now under machine control. The once humanized drones now rogue and uncontrollable. A young boy, once a tech prodigy who had given up on his dreams, watched in horror. The very technology he once loved was now destroying everything. Wandering the deserted streets, he noticed a strange heat signature coming from a crack in the road. He followed it with a homemade scanner, leading him to a hidden underground military base. He was captured by the military and mistaken for a spy. In his cell, where he was kept, he overheard their plan for a hopeless frontal assault. But he warned them it was a suicide mission, and suggested he can help. Their only chance was to beat them from the inside and tamper with the source code that meant to hack the system, and since he was the only one who could do it, they has no other option. But he had one condition: pay him handsomely and take care of his family when he succeeds. Did the military agree to these terms? Find out in the next episode